This is Lutèr's M8A0 Mortise lock. Have a UL certification and ANSI grade 1. This lock case is 09 function. The 09 function is apartment entrance door lock. Okay, and the lever handle is SHM001. All right, this is outside, and the inside we use double cylinder. The function, that's lever, latch bolt can open by lever from either side. And when inside lock, outside lever, you cannot open. By inside, always free. The outside lever, the only use key from outside or inside lock. I can open, or by key open the lock, latch bolt. And the anti-latch is always control the latch bolt when the door is closed.